this is Cindy Crane the Heart, and I'm back to share some cards that I'm sending for Gracie21's Easter fundraiser challenge. So the challenge is really, really easy. You get 1 point for doing a VR, and then you get a point for each card that you send in. So here are the cards that I'm going to be sending in. So some of them you've seen, like this one I just did recently. I've got this card, and that one. I have a Harry Potter card, and this one. So a couple shakers in here, which I think is kind of fun. So there's still time to join in the challenge. It's due March 30th. And so if you set it priority, it should get there in enough time. Anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to visit Gracie21. This is Cindy Crane the Heart.